Welcome to Raydar. Click the Connect button. Select Kucoin from the list. Name your account, for example, Kucoin account. Now switch to Kucoin. Hover over the profile icon and click on API Management. Click the Create a PI button at the top right. Enter Raydar as the API name. Right below, set your API passphrase. Under IP restrictions, select No Restriction. And click Next. Complete the CAPTCHA. Then enter your trading password, email code, and 2FA code to confirm. Your API key is created. First, copy the key and paste it into Raydar. Then copy the secret key and paste it. Attention here. Enter the passphrase you just set on Kucoin into the password field on Raydar. Accept the privacy agreement and click Connect. Congratulations! Your Kucoin account is successfully connected.